Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Ashian and today we're visiting the aquarium in Udaipur called Under the Sun. The aquarium lies next to the Fatehsagar lake just behind the parking. We did a bit of shopping in the day and visited the aquarium in the afternoon. Under the Sun is the biggest aquarium gallery in India. There was some maintenance work going on. You will hear some drilling sounds in the background. So sorry about that.
Remember this?
The aquarium has 150 varieties of small and big fish.
Stingray. See? Baby stingray. Remember that?
It's a beautiful aquarium with so many species of fish. Look at how nicely they are arranged.
Is there hiding? And that? Yeah.
Ooh, look at this.
There's barracuda as well.
Tilapia.
I told you it will be huge aquarium.
Koi fish.
That's our pet fish.
You can see lots of fish in small and large aquariums. So sit back and enjoy.
There's wild fish.
Giant
Parrotfish.
giant gourami.
Strange fish.
Watching the fish in the aquarium is such a soothing experience.
They're smart. And black catfish.
Iridescent sharks.
Iridescent sharks.
Iridescent shark. Oh, look. There's a color. Look in the light. Shine a little.
Oh, they glow.
The aquarium has both varieties of sea and freshwater fish, pufferfish, archerfish, and many more.
This is known as short body flower horn.
Short body flower horn. I told you it was a big. I told you the exhibit was big. It was just underground. It's cooling.
Mommy and me really enjoyed all these fish with the big movements. It's such a calming experience.
Tinfoil barbs. Barb fish.
I think it's a damselfish.
Dams? So cute. Like Ishan. Quick, we can go in there.
Remember this?
Did you know, guys? There are lots of legends about mermaids.
Legends
The
about
earliest mermaid legends are from Syria. A goddess drove into a lake to take the form of a
Keep going.
fish.
Say hello.
As the gods did not allow her to give up her beauty, only her bottom half became a fish and the top remained human. Look at this, there's a beautiful glass viewpoint where you can see the fish. You can go to it and it seems that all the fish are around you. It's very funny. And the person on the other side cannot see you. Guys, this is the OMG tank. We can actually experience going underwater without actually getting wet.
There's also a touch place.
Yes.
But I can't reach it deep enough. Oh, I touched a fish.
If you have to feed them.
I didn't touch one.
Oh,
But they're fast.
they're fast. They go in.
Oh! I can't grab them. Looks like you need to strike like a snake.
Fish, fish, and more fish. This fish looks like an alligator. Look, a huge freshwater fish.
They're hungry.
These fish, if you want to do one.
There's more cafeteria and a place for having fish pedicure.
This is like this.
Guys, have you ever seen a blue lobster? Here is one.
Remember, that's actually a dinosaur fish. Because those scales, they survived after impact. And there's a baby one.
So many. And they're looking like alligators. It looks like an alligator.
Yes, this is.
There's a paid virtual reality of sharks in a cage experience if you want to do one.
You can try.
No.
It's like a virtual reality experience.
Why not? But I want to be.
Green widow tent.
Yeah. Have you seen that up?
So guys, this is all of our visit to the aquarium of Udaipur. I had a great afternoon learning about fish. Hope you enjoyed watching the vlog. I really enjoyed making it. We had a well-deserved lunch after the visit in a restaurant. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Catch you later soon. Bye-bye.